Okay, this is a video for page 2 of the study guide, starting with question 6. Question 6, write an equation for a line that passes through 4, 6, 8, 12 in point slope form. So now we are switching to point slope form. So you'll want to remember that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I still do need to start by finding my slope. So I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2, and I'm going to put that into my slope formula. So I get m equals 12 minus 6 over 8 minus 4. So I get 6 over 4. If I reduce that fraction, it's 3/2. That is going to be my m. I'm actually going to write it up here, so I'll write 3/2 right here. Then for point slope, my x and y stay. You get to pick either point. If I pick 4 and 6, make sure that you're putting the 4 where the x1 is and the 6 where the y1, and you are kind of changing the signs. So it's a positive 4 and a positive 6. In my answer, it will be -6 and -4. So that would be one possible answer. If you use the other point, 8 and 12, which you can do, let me show you what that would look like. Why can't I erase this? Okay. So the other possibility would be y minus 12 equals 3/2 x minus 8. So I would accept either answer as correct. All right, number 7, very similar. We're still in point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. It's a little bit shorter because instead of getting 2 points, it's giving you the slope. It's giving you the m. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in right now for m. And instead of getting to pick a point, you have to use -3 and 8. So make sure you are putting -3 over here. And since it's minus a -3, we're going to write that as a +3. Or if it's easier for you to think about, that you change the signs, and instead of +8, it's -8. It's a minus, and that's it. I'm done. Okay, for number 8. Convert the equation to slope-intercept. So this is in standard form. So we are going to convert to y equals mx plus b. We have 2 steps. My first step is to move the term with the x, the -8x. Since it is positive, I am adding. -8 plus 8, they make a 0. They cancel. I still have my 2y. Over here, I'm going to write it as 8x minus 32. Don't combine it. Don't make it a 24. My second step is to divide each number by 2. These 2's cancel. I get y equals 8 divided by 2 is +4. -32 divided by 2 is -16. So I get y equals 4x minus 16. Okay, question 9. Shandi or Chandy, I guess I'm not sure how she pronounces it. She sold necklaces at the county fair. The profit she earned y is described by the equation y equals 0.25x minus 10, where x is the number of necklaces sold. What is the standard form of the equation y equals 0.25x minus 10? So you basically have to try each answer choice. So here is A. 2x plus 8y equals -10. I try it. I subtract 2x, subtract 2x. I get 8y equals -2x minus 10. Don't combine them, don't make it 12. Divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. -2 divided by +8 is -0.25x. -10 divided by 8. I can already tell right here, though, that I'm supposed to have a positive 0.25, and I have a negative. I can already tell that this is not the right answer. And good news for you, A and B are actually the same answer choice, so we can also eliminate B. That was a mistake on my part, but great news for you. So now we just need to try C and D. If I try C, 2x plus 8y equals negative 80. I do my same process, minus 2x minus 2x. Those cancel. I get 8y equals negative 2x minus 80. I divide everything by a positive 8. Negative 2 divided by 8 is negative 0.25x. I know that's not right because I need a positive. So I know my answer should be D. I am going to take a second just to double check that D does work. 2x minus 8y equals 80. I minus 2x minus 2x. That makes a 0. I have negative 8y, don't forget the negative, equals negative 2x plus 80. I divide every number by negative 8. I get y equals 0.25 positive because I have a negative divided by a negative. Positive 80 divided by negative 8 is negative 10. That matches. That is the right answer. Okay, for question 10, I am converting point slope to slope intercept. Y equals mx plus b. I have two steps. Step 1, distribute the m. Negative 1/2 times x is negative 1/2 x. Negative 1/2 x times negative 14, a negative and a negative is a positive 7. I still have y plus 6 on the left. My second step is to subtract 6 from each side. I am not subtracting it from the slope, just from the 7. I get y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. That is a negative 1/2. I'm going to write it over here. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1.